Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing ZARA spring haul with you, and if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is ZARA. Guys, in this haul I decided to pick pieces that you can really mix with items you have in your wardrobe, items that is investment pieces, those items that I know that it goes with neutral brand, other items I have. I decided to pick this amazing gorgeous blazer. I don't know if you can see the rose color of this blazer. I will say this blazer is must have. It's very classic and elegant, although it's a little bit pricey because we know the way ZARA blazer is a little bit pricey. This one is 59 60 quid. I think when it comes from ZARA, it's a good investment because 60 euro is still an affordable side in ZARA because they have the 90 euro one, they have the 99 one. So I decided to pick these pieces because I love the finish of these pieces. I love the elegance, the class. I would say this type of pieces is an investment pieces because you will wear it with all your neutral jeans, light blue wash, black, even total black outfit. With this number here, you are ready to go. And if you want to dress it down for a weekend, massive dress with sneakers, with your massive bag, you are ready to go. I would say this type of pieces is very investment pieces. It's those items that you make good use of your money, those items that you wear all over again. That is the way you make good use of your money, because we want to spend our money, but we want to spend our money in investment pieces, those items that when we are going out, we are going to elegant places, is ready to go. We are going to casual places, is ready to go. And I decided to pick the matching trouser. I don't know if you can see the details of this trouser, this tailored trouser. Wow! I said this two combo is elegant, is class, is very beautiful. And you can only decide to style just only the pants, but I decided to pick the matching because I know that I can elevate it, I can wear it separately, I can wear it together, because depends on the destination. You have opportunity to go to marriage, or you have opportunity to go to a real business, a place that you know that your presence matter. Although it's a little bit pricey, but I know that both of them together, I will use them all over again. The trouser is 39 and 40 euro. I will say this type of number, they are very investment pieces. I love this trouser. I think it's very nice and elegant, and it's super high waist, so it will look nice in everybody's shape, in everybody's height. A pair of heel, you are ready to go. The weekend with a white cami, sneakers, with your big bag if you want to dress it down, you are ready to go. I decided to pick the both of them because I know that I can really elevate it, because it depends on where you are going to, depends on your destination, especially this period. If you are going for a business environment or work environment, I will say dress accordingly, dress appropriately. And I love the fact that this rose is very subtle rose, so it's something that will goes with different items. I will say I like dressing well, I like putting myself together. I think that is something that you pay attention to. I think it's necessary, it's must have. These two combo for me personally is premium, elegant, investment. I would say this one, you spend your money in a good way. This is the way to spend your money in a good way, because this type of classic number is timeless, is ageless. It's something that you will wear all over again. And when you have opportunity to go any important place, you know that you have something already in your wardrobe that will work with. Personally, I will just add this body, this white cami, so that I will just complete the elegance, the class. I will just take it to the next level. I think it's just a way to take your fashion to the next level, because it's very important the way you present yourself, the way you carry yourself. I will say it's something to pay attention to.
If you crush on me, you need to know my story, but don't get too close to me, cause
I love this two combo. Guys, what I love about this number is something that you can really play with. You can also decide to dress it down, depends on your destination. Just look at this nude jeans. You can also add, because it's blue but it's a light blue, so something that you can really play with. Just look at these three combo together. So as I said, this number here is an investment pieces. Depends on the destination where you are going to, or if you are traveling for work, it's just having this blazer, this complete blazer for the evening. You can throw any nude trouser, any neutral trouser you have under it, you will look put together. I decided to add cami so that I will just elevate it, I will just take it to the next level. I will say this type of number is very elegant and sophisticated. This is the way you make good use of your money. I will say these two combo, they are classic, elegant and sophisticated. I decided to concentrate on those pieces I know that I will wear all over again, that I know that will make me look put together. And this blazer look very expensive. Guys, talking about investment pieces, look at this number here. Wow, look at this color. Wow. I decided to pick this blazer because I was searching for a blazer with details of silver button. I think it's something that you can elevate. It's just a way to add alternative to your golden button, your blazer that have golden buttons. I decided to go for this number because it depends on your destination, depends on the way you are going to. You might decide to bring things down or bring things high, depends on your style, depends on your sense of fashion. I would say this type of number is very, very elegant. I don't know if you can see. It has this shiny effect. I would say this type of number is very, very investment pieces. Your money is well spent. I would say this blazer is gorgeous. Although it's a little bit expensive, but this type of blazer, you are investing your money in something that you will use all over again. The way you present yourself, the way you carry yourself is important, because at times the way you carry yourself, the way you present yourself, that is where people will relate to you. I will say it's something to pay attention to. I decided to take these pieces because I know that it's very, very elegant and sophisticated, and for size reference I decided to take it in L. You can go to your true size because it's very, very size appropriate, and you have this little pocket on the side. I would say this blazer is gorgeous. It's very, very shiny vibe. It's very elegant and sophisticated, and the quality, the way it is made, the lading is made very, very in an elegant way. So you have this neutral finish. So depends on your style, depends on items you have at home. If you have those massive neutral skirts, I would say with this number it can go. Or if you're somebody that loves color to color, why not a massive dress? It will look put together, it will look very, very elegant and sophisticated. We want to look bougie, we want to look expensive, or at the same time without breaking our bank. So I will say something to pay attention to. I love this number, and I love the contrast, the way it look on my skin tone. I think it look amazing. It make me look like money, expensive. I think it's something to pay attention to. I just love it. Thinking about investment pieces, I decided to pick the matching skirt. I don't know if you can see the way I'm going with this haul. I decided to pick those pieces that are very, very investment pieces. Those pieces that will take my outfit to the next level, because I want to look like money, I want to look like $1 million baby. So although we are buying items in ZARA, in high street, but at the same time we can still take it to the next level. We are not buying Chanel, but at the same time we can still create Chanel with ZARA. I think that is the idea of this video. How to make good use of your money, how to make good investment with your money. I will say this number here, you can't go wrong. It's very, very lovely, it's elegant, it's classic. This type of number, even our mother, our grandmother, they was rocking it. It will look nice in everybody's shape. I don't know if you can see the details of this skirt. And for price difference, the skirt was €29.99, €30. I think the price is very, very nice. Both of them together, I will say this is elegant, class, and very, very lovely. Personally, I will be adding oversized carmine. Although you can add any other items you have at home to it, but I decided to add this oversized carmine because it's just a way to play with fashion. Because I wanted to elevate these pieces, I wanted to show you the way you can really take these pieces to the next level. Adding this oversized carmine, you will see it on the cutter, the way it looks is wow. You will look like $1 million baby. This will make you look like million. This is an investment pieces. I'm just searching for those pieces that will make me look like money, that will just take my outfit to the next level. This number here, you can't go wrong, because dressing fashion, putting yourself together is just a way for you to feel good with yourself. I think it's something that is very, very important, because taking care of yourself is very important. These two combo with this oversized carmine, wow, you will see it on the cutter, is wow, it's something fantastic. And let me know in comment below if something you give a try, and if you have any oversized carmine, try to give it a try with your massive oversized jacket and the skirt together. Just look at the fitting, just give it that elegance, the class, the expensive outfits you need. This will make you look like $1 million baby. I know that these items I will wear all over again. And a simple way to bring it down if you are going to a casual situation is just to put this, adding a simple body, any body you have at home. This one is from ZARA. It's their classic body. So any type of body you have at home, I just decided to pick this number here. Adding jeans to it, mom jeans, you are ready to go. I don't know if you can see this type of number. I would say it's very, very lovely. It's casual, but at the same time it's elegant. So you can bring it down, you can bring it up, depends on your style. And this jeans is size 8, something that you have interest for. I would say this type of number is a little bit casual. If you are somebody that is shying away from to match, because it depends on your destination, you can wear it to match. If the place is more elegant, formal place, if you are searching for a casual outfit, Throw the skirt away, put a pair of jeans, any jeans you have at home. Most important thing that you pay attention to the color, because I know that blue, white, green, they go together. They look very, very lovely and elegant, and they are very, very season appropriate. So let me know what you think about this combo. I think this combo is very, very casual. You can style it up, you can style it down. It's just a way to make good use of your money.
I feel like I don't need you. I feel like it's changed love.
It's those items that bring your outfit to the next level. Look at this number here. Just look at the elegance of this blazer. Wow. I will say this number here is must have, and you have shoulder pads is something that you have interest for. And Zara have another type that does not have shoulder pads. So it depends on your style, depends on your sense of fashion. I have another one that does not have shoulder pads, but I decided to give a try to this new one that have a shoulder pads. I will say look at the details of the button. This type of blazer is elegant, it's class, it's very, very lovely. It's those items that will take you to the next level. We all know that a black, classic, elegant blazer, you can't go wrong. It's something that you wear all over again, and you are making good use of your money buying a black blazer, especially this specific one. You will see it on the cutout. It is amazing. It's very, very elegant, bougie, expensive, something that goes with a lot. With black jeans, blue jeans, white jeans, neutral. In fact that is black, it goes with lot. And in fact that is black, will make you look put together. It's very, very elegant, it's very chic, and it's always appropriate. For size reference, I try to take it, and I don't know if you can see the length. You can still wear it as a dress if something that you have interest for. I would say this type of number, you can't go wrong. Personally, I decided to pick the matching shorts. I don't know if you can see both of them together. We are talking about elegant class, because you can't go wrong with the matching one. Especially if I'm going to any occasional place, I don't know what to wear. With this type of number, I can't go wrong. I know that I will look put together. I would say these two combo is very, very investment piece. Of course, this one, the short, you can wear it with other items, and this is something that you have interest for. Zara have another type of short that is a little bit shorter than this, so depends on your sense of taste, because Zara have this matching thing that is going on. So they have it in different color. Even the rose one, they have it in another type of rose. It's something that you have interest for. They have a rose that is a little bit more darker, and even a rose that is even more lighter than this. So it's something that you have interest for. So you can decide your choice. Personally, this wool number here, I said it's must have, because I've bought the white one, and I love the way it look on my body. Wow, I have the white one, so I decided to pick this black one, because white, black, you can't go wrong for spring. It's must have, it's classic. So that I know that I have the matching white and I'm having the matching black. It's something that just makes me to smile, because I love blazer. I love the way blazer make me to look put together, very polished, very elegant. If you are searching for those outfits that will just make you look like money, I would say go for blazer. If you are searching for outfits that will improve your presence, that will make you look expensive, you can't go wrong with blazer. Even though you are not expert in fashion, blazer will do all the job for you. All you need to pay attention to is just the color. Look at these two combo. I will say this is class, this is money, this is elegant, and my money is well spending this. I will be adding this body from Zara, this shiny body, because I just want to give it that effect of elegance, class. I just love these three combo together, because I know that I will be styling it in evening art if I have the opportunity to leave home. I know that these three combo, wow, I'm ready. I'm ready to the president party. I think this three combo, you can't go wrong. You can dress it down, you can dress it up. In fact, that is a total black outfit. You can decide the bag, the shoe, red, purple, green. You are the one that going to decide the destination. Guys, if you want to bring this outfit a little bit down, you don't like the matching effect, there's a simple way. Adding a black jeans, a elegant black jeans together with this number. Just look at, I will say this is class, elegant, but at the same time, these items is those items that you can just switch it up immediately, instantly. You don't need to do too much. It's very, very easy. Adding your basic, any type of jeans you have, any black jeans you have, you are ready to go. So when you are going to a place that is born occasional, you add your matching. If you want to switch it up with your sneakers, with your jeans, or even you can decide to add leggings, depends on your style.
Like a deep hole. You give me something that I can't give you here.
Guys, the other items I will be talking about is this skirt. I just love the fit of this skirt. I think what caught my attention, I don't know if you can see it, I can decide to match it with this blazer. That is what I love in this blazer. That's why I said that this haul is an investment haul. I don't know if you can see it, but I have other items in my wardrobe that I'm going to be styling this skirt with, and it's very affordable. It's €19.99. I decided to pick this skirt because if you have, I'm calling it skirt, but if you pay attention you will discover that it's shorts, it's not skirt. Because that is the reason why I decided to pick it. I just love the fact that they give this skirt effect, but it's short. So I don't know if I'm able to show you. It's short, it's not skirt. So that is the reason when I decided to pick it. I just love this type of items that, especially if you have my body type, I carry most of my weight in my waist area. So this type of number is those items that make me look put together, very elegant, polished and tasteful, because it's important. Although with your body you can wear wherever you want, but at the same time I think when you are paying attention to your body type to buy some items, of course at times you can still rock items that does not correspond with your body type. Who said no? Who said yes? But you decided to pick this number because I know that I can really elevate it with items I have in my wardrobe. And recently in my previous haul I bought blazer that is very expensive, so I'm adding other things to it so that I can really make good use of my money, because we are talking about making good use of our money. We are talking about investment pieces. I will be adding this cami from ZARA from their last year collection to it. I think they look very nice together. It's just because of this amazing blazer that I bought in my previous haul. This blazer is very expensive, so I decided to make good use of it. I'm going to wear it all over again, because for me 80 quid is an investment pieces. So I'm going to be wearing it all over again. I don't know if you can see this combo together. I think they look very elegant and lovely. You will see it on the cutter.
That I can give you here. Tell me what you're thinking. I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me.
Guys, as you can see, this haul is very investment pieces. It's those items you will wear all over again. I decided to pick items that I know I will style with different items I have in my wardrobe, and those items that when I will just put on, because I'm trying to improve my present, to improve my outfit. I think it's a good way, picking matching, but at the same time what I love about matching, you can separate it very easy. I think the easiest way to start is investing in a good blazer, a blazer that look put together, because you can be on budget and look very elegant and expensive. A nice blazer, and even with affordable bag, you will look put together as if somebody that is wearing Gucci from head to toe. So I say it's a good way to invest your money. Guys, let me know what you think about these investment pieces. If you like the idea of this video and you like the way I placed it, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you are very welcome. My name is Owa.